Alcohol abuse has long been an issue in Sioux Lookout. Earlier this year, the town tried to address that by closing LCBO stores for 1 day a week, but that spawned a new problem: bootlegging. Adam Riley explains.
Alcohol is estimated to be involved in 90 to 95% of the calls for service in Sioux Lookout, and the calls for service are very high on a per property basis. We're among the highest in the province for OPP communities.
With that in mind, Mayor Doug Lawrence, along with members of the Police Services Board and the Sioux Lookout Ontario Provincial Police Detachment, approached the LCBO in January for a 3-month pilot project, requesting the liquor retailer be closed for 1 day a week in an effort to curb calls for police service. As part of the project, the local wine and beer distributor inside the Sioux Lookout Fresh Mart also asked to be part of the pilot.
The beer store wasn't included. The OPP didn't see that as a high demand in the challenges that we're facing. So it's well underway, and the preliminary results are very good. That it has a positive impact on things like OPP calls for service.
And while they had high hopes for the project, statistics gathered by the OPP indicate a problem has emerged from the limiting of supply.
We've seen not so much the decrease in Liquor License Act offenses during that day of closure that we should see. So that leads us to believe that there's bootlegging going on in our community.
DeGagne says this is the first time a formal strategy against bootlegging has been made public, and the OPP has detectives delving into the world of underground liquor sales. But she notes this doesn't directly mean arrests for those caught up in the investigation.
We also are able to connect people to programming and meet their needs that way if it becomes an addictions issue. We've been working hard with our community partners to provide alternate services if they are in need of substance over those weekends.
The project wraps up on April 9th. However, Lawrence says the LCBO has agreed to extend those closure dates as the data collected from the pilot is reviewed. Adam Riley, TBT News.